Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel.
Excuse me.
Today I have a really exciting video for you guys. I'm going to be putting my bed on pallets and I am very excited for this. I've literally seen it like all over Pinterest. And it just looks so cute. And I think it would fit my room pretty well. If I do it right. So there's all these like really elaborate designs that I've seen, but I'm really just gonna put a row of pallets underneath, and if I want to change it, then I'll switch it up, you know what I mean? Me and my best friend Julia, we checked in the back of Lowe's for pallets and they had plenty back there that we asked one of the workers and they said, well, Julia works there, so we asked the worker who was on duty if we could just take them. And he said yes. So we got the pallets. I have the pallets. They're in my backyard. I need to stand them down. So that is the plan. Yeah. I'm excited. Are you guys excited? Let's do this. It's actually really humid outside. So the second I walk out here, it's probably going to be like instant fog on my camera. What did I tell you? Instant fog. Here. A little bit blurry and I'm sorry, but it's okay. I'm just gonna turn on some music and get sand in, I guess. I love how it's like only blurry right here. We love humidity. It's really about a storm out here. Yo, it's about to throw down outside. Literally, like, I don't know if I can show you the sky because this thing will probably get really humid again. But it's pretty dang bad. Pretty dang bad. There's literally like splinters in this thing everywhere. So long story short, I sanded 3 of those. It took a while and I had a lot of footage and I figured it was boring to just sit there and watch me sand. So I'm gonna go ahead and skip like to the next part. Alright, so I'm quitting here because I'm tired and sweaty. No, I'm kidding. I'm actually gonna get it done for once. Get one thing done in my life. The lighting is not very good in here. But we're gonna do it. Here's the predicament we're in. My bed is currently right here, but the pallets are gonna be too big to put over there. So what I'm thinking is that we take the couch, put the couch right there, we take my bed and we put my bed right here. Is that crazy? Yes, but only feasible option. And I'm okay with that. So let's do it. Doing this by myself is a lot more difficult than I thought. Okay, so the only part that I got done by myself is moving my couch from here to here. But I'm calling in special forces, aka my 12-year-old sister and her friend. Special, yes. Forces, not quite. Alright, I also laid down the first pallet. So kind of like my vision for this is it's gonna go this way. There's gonna be 3 this way. So it's gonna be hella close to that door, but that's okay. And my bed's gonna be like up against the wall. I only have a twin size bed because, I mean, I've always had one. But look at those little midgets. Having fun.
Huh?
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 The special forces arrived. I told them you were special and less of force, so not really special forces.
And I'm sore, so we love.
Great. Alright guys, this is the progress. Literally looks like a big cot that you like sleep on or something. I don't know. The desk isn't gonna be there probably. It's just there for right now. All right, now it's mattress time.
Where's Dexter?
No, is he over there? Alright, one person, it is nothing. Alright, lift her up. Let me just throw her out.
I'm sorry if it's shaky because
It's fine. It has a stabilizer.
I shake a lot.
This way. Alright, plop her down. Oh, oops. You like that? I can put stuff on you. I don't hate it. Feel good? Good. Doesn't matter what you think about it.
Dexter.
I think. Oh yeah. I feel like I'm grounded, you know, closer to the earth and whatnot. And then I'm obviously gonna like sand this down a little more.
I feel like I'm so good at splitting.
Yeah, I might. Sweet. Dexter, little kitty. Oh my goodness.
So
Don't walk on the pallet.
she's stupid because she's walking on the wood. But
This one's not that.
Ow!
Stub your toe or something?
I don't know, I kind of like scraped it on it.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
That's what I'm worried about.
Yeah.
I don't think it'll be bad.
Do I like
Touch it. You don't have to touch it. Does it look good, Tuck?
does it?
Does it look good?
yeah. So we're gonna get a close-up action. Ew!
Action shot.
Oh yeah. Just kidding, guys. I don't know how to record.
Oh, I can plug my phone in right there. Oh wow. Oh, this is cute. Where's my other white
What
toy?
she's talking about is that.
Wow, you're such a good videographer.
I know.
So good.
Oh, boop! I should be the professional.
No, you shouldn't.
I agree. No, she should not. So far, this is what it looks like. I'm trying to like get it not decorated, but just try to get some of my stuff over here. I'm obviously getting rid of that thing. Don't know where I'm gonna put it, but I'm getting rid of it. I definitely didn't really get it cleaned or organized, but I'll just do that later. But I did get the little bed part done, and I'm really excited and happy about that. So I'll let you guys see it. Drum roll, please. Ta-da, here she is. My wall is really plain, but I'm gonna do something about it instead of feeling like I'm in an insane asylum. But I'm gonna get it done. But I'm super happy about the way it turned out. I've got my books that I'm reading right now right here. Cute little bed. I got my little plant with a woven rug, my yoga mat, and my baritone uke. So there she is. Isn't she pretty? I love her, actually. Actually kind of feels nice to just kind of hop onto bed and like be in bed. See, don't even look at that mess. That's a mess that I still really have to clean, but oh, it's wonderful to just be here and look at my little art craft here. Woo! Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a super sweaty, fun time making it, and I absolutely love it. Not gonna lie, I love it, but it's just gonna be a matter of organizing that side of my room and getting all that stuff done and fixed. But other than that, I freaking love it right now, so yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe so you can just see what else I'm gonna post, because I never know what it's gonna be either. And also, if you're not following my Instagram, go follow it. Why wouldn't you be following it, to be honest? But also, I'm gonna put a link to my Poshmark in the description so you guys can go check out my Poshmark closet and see if you want to pick yourself up some snazzy clothes. Once again, thank you guys for watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.